Gelatin. This is a mild protein treatment that's used for maintenance. Many of you have asked me for a more natural protein treatment. If you follow me for a while, you know that I highly recommend, and I still recommend, the AFG two-step treatment. This is the treatment that I recommend for those of you that are dealing with bad breakage, and I still recommend it. So if you're dealing with bad breakage, this is the one you want to get. Pick it up at your beauty supply store and follow the instructions, okay? This is a 100% real protein treatment. Some of those treatments out there that you all are using are not real protein treatments. This one is for those of you that have severe breakage. Don't play with breakage. The longer you play with breakage, then the more hair you will lose, all right? But for those of you that may have just mild breakage, or you want to get in front of the breakage and prevent breakage, remember, prevention is better than cure. Then this is the one for you. This will be a mild protein treatment, mild to moderate protein treatment. Okay, and you'll be able to see results with just one treatment. This is gelatin. You're going to pick this up at your grocery store on the baking goods aisle, right there with the Jell-O. Well, it is Jell-O. It's just Jell-O that's colorless. Okay, so it doesn't have any color to it. This is how it looks, okay? They come in little small packets. It doesn't have to be a big one like this, but because I use it a lot, I get a big one like this. And I actually ordered this one offline. Okay, so this is gelatin. Okay, you want to take this and mix it with some filtered water, bottled water, spring water, purified water, okay? Just want to mix it with something that has been filtered, a good quality water. You want to mix it together. You want to wash your hair, deep condition your hair, and then follow up with applying this to generously apply it to your hair strands. Make sure to cover them all. You don't have to sit under any heat, well, unless you want to, but I never sit under heat for this one, okay? Each protein treatment is going to be slightly different. For this one, you don't have to sit under the heat. You want to leave it on your head, uncover, so don't put it under a plastic cap. Okay, just walk around the house or sit around the house with the gel in your hair. Okay, nothing else. And it will dry hard onto your hair. Give it 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, after that time, you're going to rinse until all of the product is off of your hair. It should rinse out very easily, okay, especially if when you're mixing it, you're making sure that you don't have any lumps in your mixture. Okay, now how much you mix is going to greatly depend on how long your hair is. I'm not going to give you a specific recipe because it is so easy to do. Okay, this is so easy to do. So you can start with a half a cup of the powder, the gelatin powder, and then you could add double the amount of water. Okay, so start with that, mix it together. If it's too thick, then you're going to add more water. If it's too watery, then you're going to add more of the gelatin. Okay, so this is one that I started mixing. Okay, you see mine has lumps in it. Okay, this isn't the proper thing to really mix it with, but this is what I'm mixing it with for this. This is what you don't want. You want to mix it until the mixture is nice and smooth, okay? You don't want to have lumps like I do. So you want it to look like smooth applesauce with no lumps, or a smooth conditioner. Okay, now you want to make sure that you've already washed and deep conditioned your hair, because this stuff gels quickly. Okay, it's not like regular Jell-O where you got to put in the refrigerator and wait. It gels quick, okay? It gels really quick. So make sure you're mixing it really well, and then you're ready to go. A mild protein treatment. You can use this once a week to help prevent breakage. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Okay, so we want to prevent the breakage, because once the hair breaks, it's broken, okay? Or once it becomes weakened, it's weakened, okay? And it will eventually break off. Okay, so there you have it for all of you that wanted a more natural protein treatment, this is my recommendation. Gelatin. Pick it up at your local grocery store on the baking goods aisle. Happy hair growing. Also, visit CoilyQueensRock.com for more information on protein treatments and how protein is your friend when it comes to retaining long lengths.